So you want to buy a house, but you've never actually taken the time to establish a credit history. You've probably been told that it's impossible to qualify for a mortgage without a certain minimum credit score. That's not entirely true. There's actually a way for borrowers without any credit history at all to be approved for a mortgage. This is called manual underwriting with non-traditional credit references. Now, before we go any further, it's important to note the difference between a low credit score and no credit score. If you currently have a low score due to missed payments, collections, or other circumstances, then this program is not going to be a fit for you. You'll first need to take some steps to repair your credit. So for more information about how credit scores are calculated and what you can do to improve your score, head on over to bluefieldgroup.com/credit. Now, if you currently don't have any score at all, it's because you don't have any credit history on file with any of the three major credit bureaus. Those are TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And this is because you've either never had a credit card, auto loan, or other type of account, or maybe all of your accounts have been closed for so long that they've actually dropped off your credit report altogether. So if you're in this situation, how do you go about getting a mortgage? The first thing that you're going to need to do is find a lender who's willing to do what we call manual underwriting on your application. This means instead of just running your file through the automated underwriting system, an actual underwriter will take the time to review your documentation and then make a decision about your creditworthiness. But in order to do this, the underwriter will need to see proof that you've made on-time payments for at least the last 12 months on various non-traditional credit accounts. And this can include things like rent, utilities, your cell phone bill, or even things like daycare and tuition expenses. Most lenders are going to want to see at least 3 or 4 of these types of non-traditional credit accounts in order for them to feel comfortable approving your application. And keep in mind that if you were late even one time within the last year on any of these accounts, it will likely be a deal breaker. So if you're ready to talk with a lender about applying for a mortgage with non-traditional credit, then call or email us today and we'll put you in touch with one of the great local lenders who offer manual underwriting so that your dream of owning a home can become a reality. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.